Executive Director,
Yes, ma'am.
dun po sa mga submissions nyo sa committee, meron ho ba kayong sinubmit na document na confidential information sharing?
Sorry,
The
sorry.
confidential information sharing?
Yes, Madam Chair, there is. It's the one flashed earlier.
The confidential information sharing. Ito ho ba yung the document consisting of 15 pages
That is correct, Madam Chair.
and that the subjects of this confidential information sharing are subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte, and subject number 2, Attorney Manasseh Reyes Carpio.
That is correct, Madam Chair.
Can we ask you, Mr. Executive Director, to read
Please
for us?
speak closer to the microphone, Kong.
Can we ask you po to read for us paragraph 14 of that confidential information sharing under the caption derogatory records involving subject number 1, Sara Zimmerman Duterte? Can you please read for the record?
Based on records, derogatory records, number 14, VP Sara was the subject of suspicion in 27 confidential reports submitted by covered persons on 2 August 2024 to 29 January 2026, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. Drug trafficking and related offenses, so triggered in connection with the House Quad Committee hearing on former President Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs, as well as by news reports alleging the involvement of VP Sara's husband in the 6.4 billion shabu importation in 2017. Graft and corrupt practices / malversation of public funds. There are in relation to news articles related to the impeachment case filed against VP Sara in 2025, as well as alleged misuse of confidential / intelligence funds.
Pwede po bang ma-flash din po yan sa screen?
Do we know what particular page is this?
Paragraph
Page
14,
6, Madam
page
Chair.
6 of 15.
Paragraph
14.
14,
Page
page
6.
6.
Yan po. Medyo hindi ho masyadong mabilis ho kasi masyado yung pagkakabasa kanina ni Executive Director. So I deemed it proper na ipakita po dyan. So that's derogatory records. At merong sinasabing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses, graft and corrupt practices, and malversation of public funds and property. So can we say that this is actually a product of the financial investigation? Pag nakalagay po, pag meron po kayong ganitong confidential information sharing, galing po saan ito?
This one is reported by the banks, by the covered persons,
By the-
Madam Chair.
By the covered
by the
bank
covered
or banking
persons.
institution as reported to you?
Yes,
As
yes,
reported to
Madam Chair.
AMLC?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Can we also ask you to read for the record and also to be flashed on the screen, Madam Chair? Paragraph 36, page 15, or the last page of this document.
Paragraph 36, page 15.
Can we ask the Honorable Executive Director to also read for the record as it is flashed on the screen?
Derogatory records 36. Attorney Carpio was the subject of suspicion in 17 confidential reports submitted by covered persons on 14 September 2017 to 25 April 2025, citing suspected activities involving drug trafficking and related offenses and malversation of public funds and property. For drug trafficking and related offenses triggered in connection with the news report on alleged involvement in the 6.4 billion shabu importation in 2017. Malversation of public funds triggered by news articles in relation to his wife, VP Sara, alleged misuse of confidential / intelligence funds.
So, pinapakita po nito na meron pala kayo talagang nakuha o nailagay, na i-report na derogatory records involving the two subjects of your confidential information sharing?
Based on records, yes, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Is AMLA ready to answer the questions regarding transaction subject of confirmation? Whether or not the same appear in the AMLC report submitted to this committee. Are you ready? If you need more time, then we may proceed to other resource persons.
So
Are you
Uh,
ready?
we are ready partially, Madam Chair, so we can at least.
Okay. Please mention first the amount
The
and
annex,
then whether it's part or not of your report.
Okay, for Annex H, Madam Chair, so to clarify, I am not confirming the report provided by, mentioned earlier because I am not privy whatever the source of that report. What I'm telling is there is a movement of funds on this particular date as reported to us, which is based on the covered transaction or suspicious transaction.
Can we flash again Annex? Is that Annex H?
Annex H, Madam
Annex
Chair.
H. To be responsive to the request of the Honorable De Lima, can you at least say whether that transaction is part of the report of AMLC? Kasama po ba itong transaction na ito sa report ng AMLC na sinumite dito sa Justice Committee?
Madam Chair, given that we are only given limited information, I cannot confirm, for example, what's the nature of the transfer, where is the addressee and all. So
We,
what we can
we are
only-
not inquiring as to the nature of the transfer, just
No.
whether or not that amount appears as well in the report of the AMLC.
I can confirm, Madam Chair, if there is a movement of funds on that same date with the same amount involving the same
That
account.
will
Will
be
fine?
enough.
yes.
Okay.
That will be
that's
enough.
Okay. So for,
Madam Chair, to be clarified, no, when you say, pag sinabi po ninyong movement, ibig sabihin, may deposito
there's
Tama
a
po ba?
transaction. There's a
From one-
transaction.
from one transaction to another.
Yes, Madam
So, ibig
Chair.
sabihin, may deposito na ganitong amount sa isang bangko, pumasok sa isang bangko. Tama po ba?
We'll have to verify if it is a fund transfer or fund out or deposit.
Nonetheless, please limit your answer to what appears already
Okay.
in the report.
Okay.
So, for the guidance of the members, I think that will be enough response to the query of the Honorable De Lima, that on such date, there is similar transaction appearing in the AMLC report.
Yeah.
Let us be consistent to the nature of our proceeding, that we are merely determining the existence of probable cause.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Bistado.
For Annex H, can we show again?
Annex H, please flash.
So for December 9, 2014, on our records, based on our records, there is a transaction amounting to 16,852,832.94.
Confirm, Madam Chair.
So similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Next,
For March 28, 2014, there is a transaction amounting to 41,721,035 pesos, 0.62.
Grabe. Confirm.
in other words, it's confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next,
For For May 19, 2010, there is a transaction that we saw in the amount of 2,001,000 pesos, 563.86.
confirm similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
On February 4, 2010, there is a transaction amounting to 10,374,307.49.
Confirmed again, similar transaction appear in the report.
Guys, sa mga di pa nagla-like dyan, like naman tayo, guys.
Can
Like
we get the last
333 pa lang. Gawin nyo ng 400, mga kabsat. Gawin nyo ng 400.
In page 10, we were unable to capture.
Kindly state the last transaction in Annex H, Honorable De Lima.
10,374,370
We have confirmed
307.49
that
at page 12.
Glance Amare, shout out.
in page 10, Madam Chair.
Page 10.
The transaction in page 10. Wala.
Page 10, that's March 3, 2011,
Okay.
in
So-
the amount of 1,750,617.84.
So we inform that there is a transaction on our records dated March 3, 2011 in the amount of 1,750,617.84.
Confirm, similar
confirm.
transaction appear in AMLC report.
Then can we ask the last one, the one involving 1 million pesos, the particular date, Madam Chair?
Meron ba? Page 9, 1 million. Dated March 28, 2011. Ay, 1 million? Yes. March 28, 2011.
We confirm, rather, we inform that there is a transaction in the amount of 1 million on March 28, 2011.
Confirmed as well, similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. That's a total of how many transactions, Honorable De Lima?
Supposed to be 5.
Total
Maybe
of 5 transactions for Annex H, all confirmed by the AMLC. Similar transactions appear in the AMLC report. Are you ready for the next annex?
Yes. Annex I.
Annex I.
Confirm, mga kabsat.
That's the one from Samuel Uy, Sami Uy.
Please flash Annex I.
Bibinggo na si Lustay, mga kabsat.
We inform that based on our records, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07 on March 17, 2011.
Payout yung mga yun, ha? Payout.
Confirmed.
For the first transaction, confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report.
We inform that on October 25, 2011, there is a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
Ay, gravity.
Likewise, confirmed for the second transaction.
Pasok,
Similar
Serenado.
transaction appear in AMLC report. Third,
On April 24, 2012, we inform that there's a transaction in the amount of 7,440,846.07.
the third transaction is likewise confirmed. Similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. So this total of 3 transactions appearing in Annex I with the title Sami Uy Payouts to Sara Duterte and Family. All of this were confirmed by the AMLC that similar transactions appear in their report.
Madam Chair, point of clarification.
Honorable DS JJ Suarez.
Tama po ba ang pagkaunawa ko na ito pong kinukumpirma ng AMLC ay yung mga lumabas sa sinumpaang salaysay ng ating dating Senador Sani Trillanes?
That is correct.
So ito po yung mga ilan sa mga bank records na
Ilan lang.
binabanggit. Ngayon po, at nakakailang banggit na po tayo na lumalabas ay tama.
At least similar transactions exist in
Randomly
the
selected.
AMLC report.
These are randomly selected
Yes.
entries. or
Transactions were randomly selected by the Honorable Dilima, and she requested the confirmation of the AMLC whether or not similar transactions appear. And so far, 8 transactions have been confirmed already by the AMLC.
Maraming salamat po,
8
Madam
out
Chair,
of
for the
8.
clarification.
Are you ready to continue, AMLC?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Okay, what
for
annex is that?
Annex B.
Please flash Annex B.
Paldong-paldo na. Diyos ko Lord. Again guys, sa mga di pa nagla-like, like and subscribe tayo. Gawin nyo ng 400 yung like natin mga kakabsat. Baka naman. Like mga kabsat. Salamat. At share na rin po. Salamat.
First transaction.
So we inform that there is a similar transaction based on our records on June 11, 2015 in the amount of 2,450,000 pesos.
Confirm similar transaction appear in the AMLC report. Next.
We inform that on December 6, 2013, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,987,542.24.
Confirmed as well. Similar transaction appear in the report.
We confirm that on January 31, 2012, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,926,594.60.
Confirmed again. Similar transaction appear.
We inform that on May 19, 2010, there is a transaction in the amount of 2,01,563.86 pesos. Centavos.
Third transaction is confirmed.
We inform that there is a transaction on May 14, 2008 in the amount of 2,114,168.43.
Confirmed again. Appearing in the report.
Putragis. Perfect
So-
ah.
That's the fifth one po, Madam Chair.
That's
So
the
the
fifth.
last for,
So far
Annex
we
B.
have 13
Confirm.
out of 13 transactions randomly selected by the Honorable Dilima, but confirmed to be existing at least as similar transactions in the AMLC report. Ready to continue, AMLC?
Madam Chair, may we ask the Congressman De Lima if we can get again the accounts in Annex A? We were not able to jot down.
Annex A.
yes po. Also, these are also 5 transactions. Number 9, page 1 of Annex A. 55,131,747.32, March 28, 2014. Got it po? The second one po, number 16, page 1, 41,721,035.62, October 7, 2013. Third, randomly selected entry at page 3, number 44, page 3, amount of 53,817,613.48, February 25, 2010. Fourth, at page 4, number 60, amount of 52,485,191.85, April 14, 2009. And the fifth one, also at page 4, number 64, 49,281,009.98, May 22, 2007. 5, randomly selected entries from Annex A, joint account of Rodrigo Duterte and Sara Duterte.
Over 13. Ito, dagdag
Do you
pa.
need more time?
Again, guys, like po tayo.
Ready
Ilan,
to answer?
ilan na
Yes,
yung like
Madam
natin?
Chair.
You may proceed.
We confirm that for all the dates and amounts mentioned, there are similar transactions existing in the AMLC report.
Okay. What annex is this again?
Annex A.
So 5 out of 5 transactions randomly selected by Honorable De Lima from Annex A
Grabe. Paldo!
is confirmed by the AMLC at least that similar transactions appear in their report.
Ang galing ni Trillanes talaga.
Are there any other subject of confirmations?
Ibang
No
klase.
more.
Marami po kasi ito, that's why I just randomly selected 5 from each of the annexes.
So pag 5,
So in total,
18.
how many transactions have been confirmed?
18.
There are 4 annexes, so 5 times 4, 20,
Ah,
Plus
20.
3.
plus 3.
So
No,
total
no,
of
no,
23 transactions were subject matter of request for confirmation.
Kasama na po doon yung 3, yung sa
Yes.
Sami Uy. So 20.
23 out
20.
of 23.
Oh, 18.
18.
Sorry po,
We just
18, because Annex A, Annex B, Annex H, and Annex I. So 4, 3 times 5, 1 is only 3. So 18.
Do you confirm that? Total of 18 transactions?
We informed earlier that there are 18 transactions mentioned that
Okay.
one we mentioned are existing in our report.
So
based on
for
our
the
report
record, 18 out of 18 transactions
Grabe!
randomly selected from the
Sir
annexes
Leonardo.
of Sinumpang Salaysay of Honorable Trillanes were confirmed by the AMLC at least to the extent that similar transactions appear in their report. That is for the record.
Paldo si
Honorable
Trillanes.
De Lima, do you have further clarificatory questions?
Paldo si
Just a
Trillanes sa
manifestation,
katotohanan.
Madam Chair, so nakita po natin na na-confirm po ng AMLAC yung mga entries na randomly selected from the annexes. At gusto ko rin i-put on record po, Madam Chair, na actually marami po ito. But that's
77.
it, because of lack of time, I just opted to ask for 5 from the 3 annexes and 3 from the other annex. Pero marami po. Sa Annex A po, there are a total of 71 entries.
Ay, wow.
Annex B, Annex A, by the way, is Rodrigo Duterte, Sara Duterte bank transactions.
71 ka
Annex
agad.
B, which is the Sara Duterte Manscarpio bank transactions,
Aha.
a total of 43,
Ay,
47, I'm sorry, 47.
47 ba?
Annex H, the master list, the data, the main record, the master, the table of all already of the accounts here would be a total of, wala ho palang nakalagay na mga number kung ilan lahat, but this is medyo numerous po ito. And sa Annex A ho, sa Annex I, which is the Samuel Sami Uy payout sa Sara Duterte and family, there are a total of 20 entries. So marami po sila na mga transactions. So that is all for me, because this is just a clarificatory questions. I just wanted that those clarified, particularly the confirmation. Very significant po yung pag-confirm nung lahat na randomly selected na entries.
Grabe si
Thank you,
Trillanes.
Honorable De Lima.
Again,
Any
guys,
other
like
member who wishes to raise clarificatory questions?
like
The
and